Here we're asked to write the expression with a single exponent, where we have 10 to the power of 6 to the power of 3. Eventually, we're going to go ahead and want to use the power of a power rule because it makes things much simpler. But to show you why that works, I'll go ahead and walk through it in expanded form as well. First of all, I know 10 to the power of 6 is like taking 10 to the power of 6 and multiplying it by itself 3 times. So we have 10 to the power of 6 times 10 to the power of 6 times 10 to the power of 6. We'll talk about our rule about multiplying exponents in just a little bit. But for expanded form here, I know that 10 to the power of 6 is multiplying 10 times itself 6 times, and I have 3 of those, so I got to do that 3 different times. So now I have my exponents here in expanded form, and now I see that I'm multiplying 10 by itself, and I count all these up, and I get 18, so I get 10 to the power of 18. Now, it's not necessarily super nice to have to write out that many tens. So let's go back a step and see here, if we're multiplying two exponents with the same base, we can just add these exponents together. So we can do 10 to the power of 6 times 10 to the power of 6. 6 plus 6 is 12, and then 12 plus 6 is 18. So we have 10 to the power of 18. But now we go back a step even further to make this the most simple by using our special rule here, where we know that if we have a power to a power here, because we know 10 to the power of 6 to the power of 3, we're going to have 3 powers of 6. We can multiply these two numbers here in the exponents to give us 6 times 3, which is 18, which gives us our answer of 10 to the power of 18.